Different question about the same child here. They're having difficulty selecting and maintaining reinforcement for this child. They were able to use a snack for him and were successful in the very first sitting that they ran with the child using that snack. Then he starts to cry and whine about getting the treat before he even does anything. And even when they're finished, the child wants more. They want to know, oh, should I be hiding these treats in my apron when I'm working with my child? The reinforcement that you're going to give your child should most of the time should not be known by the child until you actually deliver it. For this, what I would do is I would use it very, very sparingly and only for when he responds the absolute best. But I never tell him ahead of time that's what he's going to get. I just have it available so that if he listens to me really well, boom, it comes out. And it's like, hey, you did such a great job. And then if he wants more, you ignore the whining, you have him sit down, let him calm down crying. And that's how you handle that. I would have a variety of different foods hidden away, ready to use at any given time, but I would use that sparingly and only for the best responses. All other ones, I'm trying to give social reinforcement. I'm trying to give them tickles. I'm doing other things to reinforce their responding.